Today I'm in Dublin, Georgia, facilitating a full-day workshop for STEM teachers at the Heart of Georgia RESA. The goal of our workshop is to model active methods of instruction that can be implemented in the classroom to enhance the learning experience for all students. These teaching methods are all about challenging students to build collaboration and communication skills while they create and reflect on artifacts of their learning. Throughout the day, a number of strategies are modeled so participants can experience the teaching methods from the student perspective. Therefore, the participants collaborate during walking meetings, summarize and provide commentary on news stories, report the news themselves, get up and move while interacting with curriculum music and lyrics, create music videos, and record and share a TED-style classroom talk. In addition, participants are challenged to create and design a number of one-take paperslide videos. This strategy allows them to rapidly create and publish artifacts of their learning. At the end of each lesson, I ask the groups to record a paperslide video in order to communicate their perspective or simply teach the information back to me. This is a powerful strategy for engaging students in any classroom. We also have a chance to hear from Dr. Brandy Parker, data scientist and Vice President of Research Strategy at Wells Fargo. She shares her experience with using some of these strategies to enhance the workplace. She answers questions and demonstrates the importance of having students develop advanced communication skills. The instructional strategies modeled and discussed today can be used by any STEM educator tomorrow to create active and challenging learning environments that can meet the needs of all students.